Hello students, today we have seen class 7th English chapter number 3.5 news analysis all questions and answers. Closed shoes not allowed in examination halls. First, what is the meaning of issue candidates and invigilators? Answer is first issue publish. Second, candidates means participants. Third, invigilators means teachers guiding in the exam. Second, who is conducting the test? Answer is Shivam Institute of Innovative Technology, Bengaluru is conducting the test. Third, discuss the following in groups of 4 or 5. A. Why is closed footwear, shoes, socks not allowed in the examination hall? B. Why has the institute not allowed electronic gadgets in the hall? C. What other measures can be taken to prevent copying? वरील विषयांवर 4 किंवा 5 जणांच्या गटात चर्चा करा. Fourth, why is this news published in newspapers? Answer is this news is published in newspaper so that anyone who is planning to take the test is aware of the rules. Ritika takes a break from acting. First, guess the meaning of most highly paid. Reveal sign films. Answer is first, most highly paid means one who gets the most amount of money. Second, reveal, disclose something that is a secret. Third, sign films, meaning sign a contract to act in a particular film. Second, what words are used for the following in the news item? A. Film industry. B. Something on which a lot of money is spent. Answer is A. Film industry, meaning Bollywood. B. Something on which a lot of money is spent, big budget. Third, guess why Ant is a big budget movie. Answer is Ant is a big budget movie because the famous actress Ritika, who has star in it, is believed to be the most highly paid star in Bollywood. Her fees will be very high, raising the budget of the film. Fourth, can you think of other reasons for Ritika's decision? Answer is some other reasons may be she may wish to settle in a foreign country. She may wish to get children and devote her time to them. She must have got tired of doing the same things again and again in films. She may not have got any interesting offers for good roles, or it may just be a trick to promote her new films. Fifth, what will be Ritika's reaction to this news? Answer is Ritika will probably be thrilled with it, as now she will be the focus of people's interest for some time. It may help in the publicity of and to most dangerous time in history. First, guess the meaning of mankind. Answer is mankind, the human race. Second, which words or phrases in the news refer to the earth? Answer is the words and phrases in the news that refer to the earth are the word, the planet, one planet. Third, which of the following problems do you believe is the most serious? A. Climate change. B. Overpopulation. C. Epidemic diseases. Discuss this in groups of 4 or 5 using your mother tongue and English. वरीलपैकी कोणती समस्या सर्वात गंभीर आहे असे तुम्हाला वाटते? तुमच्या मातृभाषेचा आणि इंग्रजीचा वापर करून 4 किंवा 5 जणांच्या गटांमध्ये यावर चर्चा करा. Fourth, discuss the following statements with the help of your teacher. A. We have the technology to destroy the planet on which we live. B. We will have built colonies amid the stars. C. Right now we have only one planet. वरील विधानांवर तुमच्या शिक्षकांच्या मदतीने चर्चा करा. Fifth, Professor Hawking wrote about the problem in The Guardian. Why is it given as news in other papers? Answer is Professor Hawking is a renowned and highly respected scientist. His work shows the reality, hence, whatever he has said or written has to be taken seriously and is news for the world. In addition, it cannot be copied directly by the other newspapers as he has written only in The Guardian. Quick cure for all ailments. First, guess the meaning of flock and followers. Answer is first, flock, verb to move or to together in a crowd. Second, followers, meaning people who support or admire someone. Second, why is there a question mark in the heading? Answer is the reporter is not at all certain if the claim of Mary Baba that his special powder cures all ailments is actually true. In fact, he is very doubtful about it. Hence, there is a question mark in the heading. Third, which part of the news is reliable? Which part may not be reliable? How do we learn that? Answer is the last 4 lines of the news item are reliable. The part where Miri Baba and his followers speak is not reliable. We learn that from the words special and place that are put in quotation mark and by the use of word like claim. Also the fact that Miri Baba is not willing to give the exact name and source of the herb is suspicious. Fourth, will Miri Baba and his followers like the news? Answer is no, they will not. Fifth, what should you do when you fall ill? Answer is when we fall ill, we should visit our family doctor and take the medicines he prescribes. We should obey whatever he says. 6. Imagine how this news item helped people understand the truth that Mary Baba's powder cannot cure diseases. Write the story about it in short in your mother tongue. कल्पना करा की या बातमीमुळे लोकांना सत्य समजण्यास कशी मदत झाली की मेरी बाबाची पावडर आजार बरे करू शकत नाही. त्याबद्दलची गोष्ट तुमच्या मातृभाषेत थोडक्यात लिहा. इंग्लिश वर्कशॉप. First, write your own impressions about the news item given in A, B, C, and D in the table below. News item: good news, bad news, reliable, unreliable, interesting, uninteresting, boring. Others. A. Good, reliable, interesting. List down do's and don'ts for the candidates. B. Bad, unreliable, boring. No authenticity might be based on rumors. No authenticity might be based on rumors. C. Bad, reliable, interesting, creates an awareness about environmental. D. Bad, unreliable, boring, highlights the need to adopt a more scientific attitude. Second, write a letter to your class teacher or the principal of your school to make any one of the two following requests. A. You wish to start a news bulletin for your school or class. It will be a one page bulletin to be published every week. A different group of students will manage the preparation of the bulletin every time. Answer is Class Monitor, Standard 7th A, Adarsh Vidyalay, Pune, 21st January 2025. 2. The Class Teacher, Standard 7th A, Nutan Vidyalay, Pune. Subject: Permission to start a news bulletin. Madam, on behalf of Standard 7th A, I request you to grant our permission to start a news bulletin for our class. It will be a one page bulletin to be published every week. A different group of students will manage the preparation of the bulletin every time. There will be very little expense involved as the typing and printing will be done in the computer lab. With the permission of the computer teacher, I assure that we will be very careful about the news that we publish. Thank you. Yours faithfully, Naina More, Class Monitor, Standard 7th A. B. Your school library subscribes to a few newspapers. Your class wants old issue of the newspapers for some educational activities in the classroom. You are required to make cuttings or news clipping. Therefore, the papers cannot be returned to the library, but you will use them in a responsible manner. Use the format of a formal letter given below. Answer is Class Monitor, Adarsh Vidyalay Baramati, 21st January 2025. To the Principal, Nutan Vidyalay Baramati. Subject: Request to use old newspapers from the library. Respected Sir, our class, Standard 7th A, planning to set up a bulletin board. We have the permission to our class teacher. To complete this project, we will need old issues of newspapers. We request you to permit us to use the newspapers from the library. We will have to cut these to make cuttings or news clippings for our bulletin board. Therefore, these newspapers cannot be returned to the library. We assure that you we will be very careful and use the newspapers in a responsible manner. Thank you. Yours faithfully, Anita Roy, Class Monitor, Standard 7th A. Third, hold a discussion in the classroom about the differences between printed newspapers, radio news bulletins, TV news bulletins. Discuss the merits, demerits, and popularity of each. Answer: The merits and demerits of the print media are as follows. Print media, newspapers. Merits: These are more accessible. They are available at a low cost in every nook and corner. They are also delivered at one's doorstep. Besides these, one can always choose to read news of one's choice by just turning over the page. It does not make use of electricity and hence has more appeal even in the rural areas. Demerits: the illiterate cannot make use of the print media. It occupies more space after some time. When the newspapers pile up, it does not lend itself to any kind of discussion, and usually the news articles are based on the opinions of the reporter. Many times, advertisements take up more space than actual news articles. Electronic media merits: the TV appeals to the sense of hearing and sight, hence, even the illiterate can make use of it. It is more lively as the person can see the reporter or the panel discussing a given topic. Various news channels offer a wide variety of topics and of one's interest. An animated map with a weather forecast is much more interesting to see as compared to reading in it black and white. Demerits: not everyone can afford a TV or a radio in the remotest of villages, as electricity is a major concern. The news presented on radio does not stay for more than a few seconds, hence, it has a less permanent impact. News is presented in a very sensational manner with often no authenticity. Under such circumstances, instead of presenting news, the channels end up presenting views. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, इझी सोल्युशन क्लासेस चॅनलवर सर्व विषयांचे स्वाध्याय अपलोड करत आहोत. चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा आणि सोप्या भाषेतील स्वाध्याय अभ्यासा. थँक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.